Hello, in this video, we will be learning about useState hook in React. The following are the sections for this video. First, we will define what state is, and then we will try to understand what useState is. Lastly, we'll see useState in action. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this Github repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. Now, let's understand what state is. State is like a variable that is used within a component. Unlike props, which are immutable or cannot be changed, state can be updated. State should be updated only using their own setState command. Lastly, state changes can cause re-rendering in the page only if we use the setState command. Now let's discuss about useState. useState was introduced in React 16.8 as one of the hooks. This in turn allowed state to be used within a functional component rather than only in class component. Okay, in Visual Studio, let's run the application. Ctrl tilde, cd props, go to the folder, then npm start. Okay, we should be seeing the membership tiers. Okay, now in VS Code, let's go to props and app.js. So now instead of putting the initial member list in a variable, let's put it in a state. So first, let's import useState from React. So you notice that there are curly braces. That's because this is a name import instead of a default. Next, let's go to the app. So let's create a constant, and then we have an array input here, which is the memberships. So this will hold the variable, and then we'll create a method here, set membership. So this will be our set command. Then we will use useState. Then here in the useState, we need to pass a default value. So instead of putting it in the initial member list, we'll just put it inside the useState. Now we can remove this. Save. Okay, now lastly, let's use these memberships and pass it to the membership list component. So at this point, everything should still be the same. Let's add two buttons to add more tiers to this application. So in app.js, let's add a new button. Then we name it as add Ruby. And another button, add diamond. Okay. Okay, now for the button to work, we need a handler. So let's go to this section, function section, and then we'll create a constant, add Ruby handler. Okay, goes to, so we set memberships, then we get the previous membership, bring it, goes to create a, we will create a new membership, which is a Ruby. So we just build up this variable, and then we return previous membership, previous memberships dot concat. Then we add in the new Ruby membership. Okay. Lastly, for this to work, we will add on click, then add Ruby handler. We will just set this to capital letter. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Let's add another handler. Maybe we just copy this and then change diamond handler. And then the set memberships, previous membership, you add a new diamond membership. Put this as diamond, title diamond. We change the value, maybe 5,000. Enjoy 15% discount. Then we pass that here. And then we add an on click. Add diamond handler. Okay. Okay, now back to our browser. We should be able to see the two new buttons. Let's press F12 so we can see our elements. Let's go inside the root. App. So we see here membership tier, silver, gold, platinum. Then we can add, click the add Ruby. So we see that this part lights up. So it means that part refreshes. Also the diamond. So we notice that not the whole page refresh, just this section. So to summarize, here are the steps to use the useState. First, import useState feature from React. Then initialize the variable setState and default value using the command below. And then you're free to use the variable and setState if you want to update. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topic you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.